If you're looking for dog collars Dean and Tyler, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Collars Dean and Tyler. Number 1, Most Popular, by Dean and Tyler. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Dean and Tyler. Number 3. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Dean and Tyler. Find these dog collars Dean and Tyler at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dog collars Dean and Tyler ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.